Pozdrav svima ljudi, moje ime je Dodo i dobrodošli u novu epizodu Batman Arkham City. Uglavnom, ne znam je točno nastavljamo tamo gdje smo stali, ali uglavnom, jer ja sam sjećao što sam sad sve drugo sam i da, uglavnom, trebamo doći do ove lokacije, znači tu je sad ovaj znak, znači, znači, trebamo doći do tu.
Penguin was a chicken. That's funny. I never figured you as a...
Protocol 10 will commence in 7 hours.
You're both idiots. Now shut up and let's work out a plan that keeps us alive and doesn't involve birds.
We ain't doing nothing! Don't shoot! Did you hear that Bruce Wayne had been brought in here? Keep up, man. Penguin went to meet him. How did he know? He's got some kind of deal going with Strange. That's why he's got Freeze down there. Really? What the hell's wrong with you? How come you don't know any of this? I don't know. Maybe I was taking a leak. Well, let me just bring you up to speed. Penguin's got Freeze down in the museum. Figure he's got him to piss off Joker, which is good. But you know the boss. He likes trophies, so he wants Wayne. Batman. Hell, he's got room for Catwoman. There you go. Huh? This way! He went this way!
Ah. Sorry, nisam htio tak. Kaj what? Nemojte meni what? Oj, oj.
You're not getting past me again! What?
Sam ne razumijem kako light kick nije ništa. Real trophy.
Batman spotted.
Ti viš mene spotat.
Target Batman has disappeared. Visual on target. I repeat, we have visual on Batman.
Huh? Over here! I got him! He's over here!
Zero visual on target. I repeat, we have lost sight of Batman.
This place is ours. He's gone.
I used to play down this way when I was a kid. Place hasn't really changed much.
Ovim ne znam zašto sam pao dobro.
We have positive visual on Batman.
Freeze. Really think Batman will come here? Maybe. Who cares, though? Penguin's got crap in his museum that will keep him and all the other freaks away. You think? Sure. We got military-grade weapons, we got high-tech equipment that can stop an army, and we've got one evil-looking son of a bitch making sure that we win. Hope you're right. Of course I am. And anyway, if Batman finds his way into the museum, Penguin's got plenty more up his sleeve. You see the stuff in there? It's insane.
Imao nešto, da Pingvin ima nešto protiv mene. Ballistic ammo bi mogao jako dobro doći, tako da ćemo to upgradeat. Dobro.
trying to break out.
Okay.
There's Batman in here.
Batman! He's here!
Ništa vi nikog vidjeli.
I don't care where you've gone. I'll find you someday and kick the living crap out of you.
Ok, idemo. Bam. Ej, countera sam pa, nema mi se.
Batman is clear. All freaks are down.
Hack time. Slučam detektiv moda, to nisam vidio. Ok, hack time, znači...
I told you, they took them off me. I tried, but there were too many of them. They had knives.
Ok, hoš mi prestati
What was I supposed to do? Oh, I'm sorry. Were you scared? Yes, they were horrible. I thought they were gonna kill me. I don't blame them. Look at you, you pathetic, sniveling worm. Man, I guess I'm gonna have to teach you a lesson now, aren't I? Do you think I like this, huh? Oh, who am I kidding?
Ok,
I love
ulazimo mi
it.
unutra i idemo riješit pingvina.
This is Penguin's turf, you freak. I'm gonna cut you up into tiny pieces for breaking in here.
As part of our ongoing commitment to keep you safe and protect the unique collection we have on display. Visitors should be sure to check out our latest attraction, Dangers from the Deep, in the aquatic observation chamber. All visitors with valid tickets
Ja ne znam, ovo mi dao.
nearby world-famous iceberg lounge. Welcome to the Cyrus Pinckney Natural History Institute. All visitors must be searched as part of our ongoing commitment to keep you safe and protect the unique collection we have on display. All visitors should be sure to check out our latest attraction, Dangers from the Deep, in the aquatic observation chamber. All visitors with a valid ticket or concession card can enjoy a discount at the nearby world-famous Iceberg Lounge.
Što je još jedno Riddlerovo.
Welcome to the Cyrus Pinckney Natural History Institute. All visitors must be searched as part of our ongoing commitment to keep
Ok.
you safe and protect the unique collection
Znam
we
gdje
have on
ima
display.
šta.
All visitors should be sure to check out our latest attraction, Dangers from the Deep.
A, tu se provući. Ok, tamo je bilo Riddlerovo nešto. Ok,
All
fuck.
visitors with a valid
Kira.
ticket or concession card can enjoy a discount at the nearby world-famous Iceberg Lounge.
I don't think I want you breaking into my little home, Batman.
Something's blocking communication back to the Batcave. Penguin must be using military-grade communication disruptors. The only way to crack this security is to destroy them.
Must be searched as part of our ongoing commitment to keep you safe and protect the unique collection we have on display. All visitors should be sure to check out our latest attraction.
Hoćeš reći da sam ja tu bez veze dolazio?
In the aquatic observation
A evo,
chamber.
gledajte vrata onda.
Help! Stop, please!
How does this thing work, anyway?
All you need to know is Penguin wants this thing powered up. While it's working, no one in this hellhole can use anything that broadcasts out into Gotham.
So that's why my cell phone stopped working.
Yes, dumbass, that's why your cell stopped working. Did you even listen at the briefing? Nah. Figures. Listen, this is the deal. If anyone interferes with this tower, it will be our fault. Mr. Cobblepot doesn't like it when his people fail him.
No, vjerojatno ni ovo ne mogu. Pošto će mi blokirati signal, dobro. Da. Okej.
I still don't get it. How do these mask things stop Batman?
You don't need to get it. You need to make sure Batman doesn't get up here. Understand?
How does a stupid tower stop Batman from getting in the museum?
The only thing you need to understand.
No, Dark Knight, those aren't for you!
Stay alive for as long as possible, in as much pain as possible.
A, tu ste, evo ove.
Joker poisoned the bat. How'd he manage that?
A, vi ste lagani, to nema ničega. Ai, counter. Opa.
This Bruce Wayne got his rich ass locked up in Arkham City. Guess there really is a God.
The jamming tower has 3 terminals attached. I'll need to destroy all 3 to shut it down.
Stop.
1 jammer down. I should look for more.
What's going on out there? What if the jammer signals disappeared? Sorry, Mr. Cobblepot. I don't know. We'll find out! And while you're doing it, make sure the other jammer's safe, or I'll find you and I'll stick with you.
Said they keep working?
According to the log, all wave frequencies are being suppressed. The entire site is radio secure.
Nice. Where does Cobblepot get military-grade kit?
Huh? It's the bat! He used smoke to get away. Stay calm. We need to keep it together and find him. Wake up! Do you hear me? Wake up! I'll cover the disruptor. That's it. We're screwed. What the hell are we gonna do now?
Leave them. We've got more important things to be looking out for. What's wrong? Too scared to show yourself?
What?
Over here! He's over here!
Okay.
He got away! He used some kind of smoke!
Is it too much to ask that you just do your job and stop him? Tell me it's not.
Huh? This way! He went this way! Batman's back!
Super свежий. Там. Окей. Ай, чупай все это. Вон. Okay.
Batman's done something to the jammers up top. Where are the rest of you idiots?
We've only just managed to get below ground.
Just send it up wherever you are. Do it now. Batman's probably on his way down there. Understand?
Yes, sir, Mr. Cobblepot.
The signal's blocked again. Sounds like Penguin's final jammer was activated somewhere underneath Arkham City.
Okay, skroz tamo. Okay.
Batman, he's here.
Ne, nisi niš vidio, okej.
You scared to fight us? Not so fun.
May as well just kill myself right here.
What the hell were they carrying? Penguin sent him down underground to set up another comms disruptor. I guess he's still trying to screw with Batman.
Oh, what's wrong, Bat? Too chicken to come and fight me? You should be! Come on, Bat! Come fight me!
Nisam ga ni vidio da će doći iza. Okay.
Batman, come here. Ain't we already locked up?
He's the freaking man! Someone's fighting over here!
Okay, još jedan bolje.
It's the bat! Wherever you've gone, Batman, I'll find you!
Okay,
Must be going crazy. Could have sworn I saw some kind of ninja over there. Woman and the plant lady. Man, those two are hot.
Penguin sounded pissed.
Batman's been screwing with his plans.
Do those things even work underground? I read the manual. It never said anything about working underground.
Yeah, they work.
If you say so.
Since when have you been all about reading, anyway?
I read.
Horn don't count.
Screw you.
Okay, da, ubio sam. Okay, ajmo jaki Batman. A tu sam zaridlo trofej, okej. Pa ono, znači rekao sam već na početku serijala, neću skupljat trofije onako stalno, nego ako se nađe, nađe se. Sam ja tu nigdje sad u kojem smjeru, tamo. ovo bi trebao otvoriti. Možda prolaz, a možda još jedan little trophy, znači, ne znam. Ajmo Batman. Gdje smo, šta radimo? Jack, ti mene zezaš ili? Ja se vraćam natrag, ovo ne ide nikam. Okej. O, ima gore. Dobro.
I'm telling you, it's him.
It can't be.
It is. Look again. He looks big, right? He's gray.
This poster's gotta be over 100 years old. How can it be the same guy? And even if it was, how did Penguin get it?
I don't know, but I'm sure it is. It's even got a name.
Solomon
Grundy?
Stupidest name I ever heard.
That's the thing you can hear in the museum. You know, Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday.
You may be right.
Ok, znači ima ih i s armorom i sa svime. Mi da ovo nije bio put. Nije ovo nije bio taj put. Ok, da idemo da idemo. A, gore opet se mogu krenuti.
It's the bat!
Opa. Ok. Ajde. Znači, ne znam, možda ću početi više snimat. Dulje snimat točno. Jer je ovo trofij za mene. A nije, to je možda za Catwoman nekog.
You heard Penguin. Batman's on the way.
Good. I always wanted a chance to go up against that freak.
But I thought he wanted us to drag this thing over to the Joker.
He did. I guess Batman's made him change his plans.
Who cares? Kill Batman, drag this thing to Joker, turn it on, and go back to Cobblepot as heroes.
What? Just like that? Kill Batman?
Yeah, I'm not scared. He's nothing. Just some idiot in a costume. He's nothing.
Ok, onda. Ja ću onda tu stati s ovom epizodom. Nadam se da vam se svidla. Ako je, obavezno stavite like. I spremno se za još ovakvih videa. A mi se vidimo u sljedećima. Pa pa!